I'll be using this ground beef to make sloppy joes. The ground beef has been irradiated prior to being sold at Wegmans. For this recipe, we will be using onion, garlic powder, brown sugar, ketchup, mustard, a bell pepper, 6 hamburger buns, and 1 pound of 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef. First, heat your skillet to medium heat. Oil your pan. Then add the ground beef. Now we're chopping the onions. Next, I'll be cleaning the green pepper. Now we chop the green pepper. Now I'll be dicing the green pepper. I'll be seasoning the beef with salt and pepper. Now I'll be adding the bell pepper and onion until softened. Next, we have to stir in the garlic powder, brown sugar, mustard, and ketchup. Lastly, we plate the sloppy joe.
An irradiation chamber is a controlled environment used to expose materials, food, or substances to radiation, typically for sterilization, preservation, or scientific research. Food irradiation is a safety process that occurs after the food has been produced and packaged. The food is exposed to ionizing electromagnetic radiation that rids the product of germs and pathogens, along with extending shelf life and slowing spoilage. When food absorbs radiation, it can form free radicals, which are highly reactive molecules that can cause chemical changes in the food. This can affect flavor, texture, and nutritional content. The food enters the irradiation chamber, where it is exposed to radiation from gamma rays, X-rays, or electron beams. This radiation is created through radioactive decay, which is a natural process that happens when an atom is unstable, meaning it has an excess of internal energy. In order to become more stable, these atoms release the energy in forms of radiation. There are 3 forms of radioactive decay. However, gamma decay is the decay used in food irradiation. In gamma decay, the atom gives off energy in the form of light or rays. These rays make contact with the food and penetrate deep inside, stopping the spread of harmful pathogens. The amount of radiation used in food irradiation is carefully controlled. Lower doses are used for insect control and delaying ripening in fruits, while higher doses are used for sterilization.